Hey y'all, today I wanted to show you how to make a beautiful gradient effect with your cookies using just one fabulous product. With Valentine's Day right around the corner for my cookies, I went with the Master Elite in hot pink. Alright, so coloring the dough is pretty easy. Master Elites are activated by liquid, so I'm adding them in with my other wet ingredients. I added in a splash of water, followed by the Master Elite powder. From there I mixed it up and evaluate the color. Then I added my dry ingredients and mix. You can see the color really develop into the dough. Adding in my white chocolate and voila, I have a beautiful batch of hot pink cookie dough. We started with what is going to be our deepest shade of pink for the day. Now, to make the gradient, you'll want to have a separate batch of uncolored dough ready to go. I went ahead and weighed mine out into equal parts, and I did the same thing with our pink dough. This will make it easy to know how much goes into each mix so that we can gradually add less pink to each batch to achieve that nice ombre effect. I'm also saving a few cookies from each batch so that we can see the shade get gradually lighter. So I'm starting with 5 portions of pink to get our second darkest shade of today. All you have to do is mix it up and make sure that it is fully incorporated. Keep your eye on the dough though, because we don't want to overmix and end up with a tough cookie. That is a really beautiful color, just slightly lighter than the darkest shade for the day. This next round I'm going in with 3 portions of the pink cookie dough. We're just repeating the process of mixing it in and watching it get just a little bit lighter than the previous batch. This one is probably my favorite shade so far, it's just a little bit lighter. For the final batch, I'm using just 1 portion of the pink cookie dough to try to get a really light pink color to complete our ombre look. Again, we don't want to overmix, so when you see it start to come together, you can finish mixing it up by hand. This is also a really beautiful shade of pink. Here's the dough side by side. I think it is so cool that we were able to make all of these different shades out of just one of the Sugar Arts Master Elite colors.